My name is Rose. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine.
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I wake up early because I like calm mornings. First, I get out of bed. In the morning, my room is calm. The light is soft and warm. I feel relaxed and happy. I start my day slowly. I make my bed. Then, I pull the sheets and fix the pillow. I like a clean bed. It makes my room look nice. I feel calm and ready for the day. I open the window. The fresh air feels good. Then, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. After that, I take a shower. The water feels nice. Then, I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes. I like simple clothes in the morning. Comfort is important to me. At 7 o'clock in the morning, I go to the bakery. The street is quiet, and the morning air feels fresh. I like going to the bakery early because it is calm and peaceful. Inside the bakery, I choose fresh bread. The smell is very good, and it makes me feel happy. After that, I have breakfast at home. I eat bread, eggs, and fruit. This breakfast is simple, but it is very good for me. I drink coffee or tea, depending on my mood. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. Breakfast is my favorite meal. After breakfast, I check my phone. I read my messages and see if I have new notifications. Then, I check the weather for the day. This helps me choose my clothes and plan my day. After checking my phone, I get ready for work. At 7:45 a.m., I leave home and start my day outside. I walk to the bus stop at my own pace. It's a short walk, but I like this moment. Sometimes I listen to music while I walk. It helps me relax and focus. Then I take the bus to work. I usually sit by the window and look outside. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. I use this time to think about my day. At 8:30 a.m., I arrive at work. I feel ready to start my job and do my best. First, I turn on my computer. I check my emails and read my messages. Then, I organize my desk. I answer emails during the morning. I try to be clear and polite. At 10:30 a.m., I take a short break. I drink some water and stretch my body. After my break, I go back to work. I work until 6 p.m. After that, I finish my tasks and organize my desk. Then I get ready to go home. I arrive home after work. I feel a little tired, but happy to be home. First, I take off my shoes and relax. Then I change into comfortable clothes. I like to feel cozy at home. It helps me relax. After that, I have some water or a small snack. I take a moment to rest. Sometimes I watch TV or use my phone. I enjoy this quiet time. In the evening, I prepare dinner. I like simple and healthy food. I am happy to be at home. At night, I start to slow down. I finish my dinner and clean the kitchen. Everything is quiet and calm. Then I take a warm shower. The water helps me relax. I feel clean and comfortable. After that, I put on my pajamas. I like soft and cozy clothes at night. Sometimes I watch a little TV or read a book. This is my quiet time. Then I turn off the lights. I lie down in my bed. I am ready to sleep.